up on your screen, you can see from New Jersey to Connecticut to New York, you can see that there are schools that have early dismissal across the tri-state, and we do have a full list on our website, pix11.com. But during days like today, please remember, hot cars can be deadly, so never under any circumstances leave your children or pets inside of a car. Temperatures can reach 120 degrees very quickly in a parked car. Hydration is key. Skipping out on coffee and booze on days like today, because that will dehydrate you. You also want to wear loose-fitting clothing that's lightweight, because dark colors can actually absorb the sun rays and raise your body temperature. If your child has outdoor sports practice, skip it. And if you have to work outdoors, make sure you use the buddy system. Take the frequent breaks and don't forget the sunscreen. Use days like today to enjoy the mall, public library, and catch a movie in the AC. And don't forget, if it is too late, if you're already feeling nauseous, you have sunburn, you have some heat cramps, you want to drink water. This is what I have packed with me today. Reporting outside is no joke. You want to drink about a half of this. That's 4 ounces every 15 minutes until you start to feel better. You don't want to mess around with dehydration. It could really land you in the hospital. For pregnant women, anyone with a health condition, or even children, stay inside today. It's just not worth it. As meteorologist Byron Miranda said, it's going to feel like 100 degrees and really humid out there.